Here we have the lifeguard. Okay. How you doing? Huh? How you doing?
So I want you to walk that way. No, go this way.
Moving the kayak, huh? Huh? I kayak here too. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do like kayaking here.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Wonder whose kayak that is. I wonder whose kayak that is. Wonder whose kayak that is. Oh, okay.
You're going to go up the hill again. Can you guys close those doors? You're going to go up the hill. All right. Now, lift it up. Lift it up and flip over on that one. You got to get the bottom up first, so just hit the car. Higher. Right. Flip it up. Oh. You got to keep your side up. So yeah.
And would you look at that? There's no one here right now. There's no one here right now. Carson as the lifeguard. Right there. We have Carson as the lifeguard right there.
Not really guarding much right now, though.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I had some technical problems, so I had to go back to my house for a minute because my camera got fucked up because it was too filled up. My camera got fucked up. My camera got fucked up because I had too much video in there, too much storage. Because cameras now these days, because the internet now, the cameras now these days, there's so much getting recorded. There's so much getting recorded now that everything now is fucked up and the world now is coming to an end. It's true. The world's
Right. He's right.
Yeah, it is right. There's so much videos getting stored and people taking pictures and videos of stupid things. There's so much of that going on now that there's no more storage. If I can't have all my YouTube videos saved, I must have to quit YouTube. I must have to quit YouTube if this shit keeps happening. I must have to quit YouTube if this shit starts happening. Yep. Good, how are you?
This is gonna be your biggest hit on YouTube right now.
Oh, really? I'm sure I'll get a lot of views because you'll be watching it over and over and over again.
I'll keep it refreshing.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that.
200 views just from me.
Or more, or 1,000 or 1 million.
Million?
Yeah.
We get multiple computers going.
Yeah. Yeah, if I have to be deleting off videos to make more videos, I don't like doing that. But if this keeps happening, I'm gonna have to quit YouTube.
Yeah. It's tough.
Yeah, because I couldn't take any videos here because because my camera got fucked up.
Storage?
Yeah.
It happens.
Yep. Yep. Storage happened and my camera got fucked up. Yeah, that crap happened. We have the lifeguards right there. We have the lifeguards right there. We have some fishers right there. And yep. Have fishers right there, have lifeguards right there. You have myself right here. You have myself right here.